4th of July, baby. Don't let the dogs out, Harry. Scooter, Scooter! No. Nah. I'll stay over here so I can record a better video.
This is a safe zone.
Yeah, I'll stay over here so I'm making a video and be safe. I'm gonna laugh you all get hit by a firework.
Oh, they got woman candles.
Boom! Benelusa! So it's not fireworks?
Oh, they got fireworks.
Oh, and candles?
A woman candle is a firework. It's the one that shoots balls out to go.
Like one of them big fireworks. Just go boom.
I don't think they got the big ones. They got little and medium.
What's medium?
We'll see when we get started.
That'll probably take a long time. 5, 4, 3. No. I'll stay right over here. You see that, Harry? Yeah, you're firing over there. It looks like dead on my phone. It's not.
Is that the big one?
Now I'll stay right over here so I can make a better video. And so I can be safe. Come on, fire them. Late delay, boom. 3, 2, 1.
You can count all you want, but it doesn't make you go any faster.
3, 2, 1, 3, 2. Do that one. Because I'm trying to stay safe. It's a better idea over here to be over here than be over there. And now you wonder why I'm over here, Brayden. And I wonder. Big one. Boom, boom. Late delay. That would take a long time. I'm gonna drop my phone while recording. Because I can't back my phone up. Yeah, I'm looking. Beautiful. Amazing! Now that's what you call 4th of July, folks. Come on, focus. Any more? Fire them. This is already a 4-minute video. I'll put this on my YouTube channel. Oh, there it goes. And that was a good show. Good show. I'm filming this and putting it on my YouTube channel. 4th of July today. I'm a turbo cameraman. Yeah. We do not feel like being target practice, Becca. No. Wow. Smell like a gun. Now I got a candlestick. I'm gonna feel getting hit by one of those. Okay. Trying to make my phone focus on the recording. All these guys.